Species Spotlight.
The Eques Corydoras is a small, peaceful freshwater catfish that has become quite popular in the aquarium hobby and is a personal favourite in our fish room. These Corys are easy to care for and are extremely hardy, but we have noticed that they can be somewhat shy. Nevertheless, these Corys are incredibly eye-catching and are a wonderful addition to any community aquarium. Eques Corys are shoaling species in nature, so it is best to maintain them in a group of at least 6 individuals. We keep a group of 10 and they appear to be much more confident, and their behaviours and personalities are fascinating to watch. Ideal tank mates for Eques Corys could include smaller species such as rasboras, small barbs, pencilfish, dwarf cichlids, rainbow fish and tetras. It is also possible to keep them with other Corydoras species. We have ours alongside yellowfin Corys and bandit Corys. The Eques Corydoras originates from the Amazon River at Corydoras, Amazonas in Brazil, South America. These Corys inhabit streams and tributaries consisting of a soft sandy substrate, submerged wood, areas of dense vegetation and open swimming areas. The Eques Corydoras is easy to feed in an aquarium environment. However, please provide them with a varied diet to ensure the fish stay in tip-top condition. These Corys will readily accept good quality dried foods such as sinking catfish pellets, wafers and granules, as well as frozen, live and freeze-dried foods such as white mosquito larvae, bloodworm, white worms, brine shrimp, daphnia and tubifex. An aquarium setup designed to mimic their natural habitat would be ideal. This can include a substrate of sand or small-sized smooth gravel, plenty of driftwood, low-light ground plants such as Anubias or Java ferns, as well as taller plants with larger leaves like Amazon sword. The plants will help dim the aquarium from the bright light and complete the look. The colour of the Eques Corydoras can vary depending on what substrate you keep them on. Typically, these Corys have a large dark greenish-brown saddle-shaped body marking located on either side of their body and a whitish belly. However, on some, this saddle-shaped marking may appear a lighter bluish turquoise colour. In addition, these Corys also have an orange vertical band just behind their eyes across their gill plate, as well as some orange coloration on top of their back and the edges of their caudal fin. They may also occasionally display a dark band extending down from the top of their heads to the base of their caudal fins. Thanks for watching.